Understanding ALS, a challenge we face. ALS is a disease. It makes muscles weak. People with ALS get weaker over time, but their minds stay strong. ALS is a tough challenge. It affects people of all ages. We need to learn more about it. Together, we can fight this disease. Faces of courage, stories of strength. Meet John. He loves to play guitar. ALS made it hard for him to play, but John didn't give up. He learned new ways to make music. Meet Sarah. She's a loving mother. ALS made it hard for her to speak. But Sarah found her voice. She uses technology to talk to her children. Science gives hope. New discoveries. Scientists are working hard. They are searching for a cure for ALS. They are making progress every day. New treatments are being developed. These treatments offer hope. They can slow down the disease. They can improve the quality of life. We are getting closer to a cure. Section 4, raising our voices, the fight for a cure. People are coming together. They are raising awareness about ALS. They are fighting for more research funding. They are advocating for better care for patients. These advocates are making a difference. They are giving a voice to the voiceless. They are bringing us closer to a world without ALS. Their dedication inspires us all. Section 5. The future is bright, hope endures. ALS is a challenge, but it does not define us. We are strong, determined, and hopeful. We believe in a future without ALS. We will continue to fight. We will never give up hope. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we will find a cure. Section 6, never giving up, a promise for tomorrow. Every day we learn more, every day we grow stronger. We stand with those affected by ALS. We promise to never give up. We will keep fighting for a cure. We will keep sharing stories of hope. We will create a brighter future for everyone touched by ALS.